You are currently looking at the profit from 100 trades using the strategy in this video. If you want to see this on your backtest from simply trading crypto, stocks, Forex, or any other high volume market, then you definitely need to learn the strategy I'm going to teach you in this video. This strategy is a high impact, high efficiency, and accurate strategy, yet simple to use once you've learned it. I've designed it to be beginner compatible, and it only uses 2 technical indicators alongside a money management system that sole purpose is to maximize profits on every single trade taken. And with all my strategies, I'm going to backtest it 100 times to show you the true numbers behind it. Alright, enough build up, let's jump into TradingView. Alright, so I'm here on TradingView.com on a Bitcoin USD chart. Now for timeframes, I'm on the 15-minute time frame as I've been experimenting and found it to work the best. You can of course use it on other time frames such as 5, 10 or 30 minutes and even up to an hour. Okay, so once you have your chart and time frame set up, you're going to head up to the top to the indicator tab. Then search for our first indicator called the triangular momentum oscillator. You'll know if it's the correct one because its developer and publisher will be Lux Algo. Okay, now for our second indicator, heading back to the indicators tab and searching for adjustable moving average. And it's this one right here by Lux Algo. Now we have a few settings to adjust, so double click on the adjustable MA, and in the input section we want to have smooth candles enabled. Then for the triangular momentum oscillator, we want to set the length to 7. Okay, so now our indicators are in place, let's check out the rules for this strategy. So first let's cover long trades. To enter a long trade, we need a new buy signal issued by the triangular momentum oscillator. Then the upper extremity needs to be present on the adjustable MA indicator. The third condition is for our smooth candles to increase in value. You can see here the candle started increasing in value, so we're going to go ahead and place a buy on the close of the trigger candlestick. And our stop loss will be set at the recent swing low. Now, unlike the majority of other strategies, for this one we don't use a take profit. Basically, we're just going to exit a winning trade either when the oscillator issues a new sell signal or as soon as the low extremity, which is this red line here, appears on a chart. As we can see, the red line appeared on the chart and the trade is running in a profit, so this would be a valid signal for us to exit the trade. Okay, now on to short trades. The rules for the short trades are exactly opposite. First, the oscillator must issue a signal to sell. Then we need the moving average to be red. And third, our smooth candlesticks must be decreasing in value. And here you can see all our conditions are met. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing high, and we're going to exit a winning short trade either when the oscillator issues a new buy signal or as soon as the moving average turns green. And that's all there is to it. Feel free to replay any part of the video if you need to watch any of the steps more closely, and without further ado, I'm going to jump into a backtester and get you guys the real numbers behind this strategy. And just like that, 100 trades have been compiled and backtested. As you can see, the win rate for the strategy turns out to be 62. Whilst many of you who have watched the channel for a while are probably thinking that is pretty average looking, just look at the profit and loss. Our account gained over 400%, and this is because of our take profit strategy. The strategy sacrifices accuracy for a whole lot of profit, which in all honesty is a pretty fair trade-off. Also, we had a profit factor of 3.26, and we had 7 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses, with our maximal drawdown not exceeding 6%. Now, clearly the strategy has huge potential to make consistent profit. I'm actually leaning towards it as one of my personal strategies because it doesn't rely on me winning loads and loads of trades. Rather, it allows me to maximize my profits on a smaller percentage of winning ones. I definitely recommend you give it a go on a paper money account, and if you feel confident with it, use it on your regular trading account. And just like that, this video is done. I hope you found value in it, and as always, if you have a strategy you want me to test in the future, comment it down below.